back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm revealing contact lenses from EYELILY. Ooh, these are so stunning. They are gorgeous. If you like contact lenses, if you like natural looking contact lenses, you're going to like these ones. One thing I like with them, they are so gorgeous. They are unique. Okay, you guys know me and my contact lenses. Okay, you know me. So these ones are not left out. This is from EYELILY. Release the charm of your eyes. Ooh, look at the packaging. I love the color of this packaging. So I have 5 in here. It came with 5 cases as well. I'm going to apply the contacts so you see transform your eyes. I'm going to leave the link to their website on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. Also, I'm going to check if there's any discount code. I'm still going to leave it as well on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. One thing I like about contact lenses, it changed your entire look. These are my natural eyes. I have this dark eyeball, so when I apply my contact lenses for a change, it makes me look good. Okay, let's go. Let me bring it out so that you see it. Okay, see, it's kept here. You see this? Wow, I love this with the solution inside. One thing with these contact lenses, you can use them as many times as you want. I think they last for 1 year. I'm not really sure, but I think so. I'm going to put everything you need to know about them on the description box. Okay, here the names are here, the diameter is here, water content, lens material. These ones, they really look different. I like the way they kept it in this bottle. To store it, you just keep it here, and it came with an applicator. You see, applicator and a clip, okay, to remove your contact from the solution. So guys, this is it on. You can see it's here. This one is Styrene Blue, and this is my natural eye. You can see how gorgeous. I like the blue. Ooh, charming. This is really gorgeous. I love this. You see the difference between my eye? See it straight here? See this? Okay, let me put the other one on and see. You see this? This is so gorgeous. I love this so much. Wow, this lovely is the Styrene Blue. This is gorgeous. If you like contacts, oof, you will love this. You will love this. I love the color. You can wear this during the spring, even summer. Wow. Gorgeous. Let me try another one on for you guys to see. So you see this one is Tang. Is it Tang? Something like that. I don't know if okay, Tang Sunset. It's Tang Sunset. It has this blue also on it. You can see. Ooh, girl, what? This is stunning. Really gorgeous. Look at it from far and close range. From far and close range. Okay. How do you see this? How do you see this one? This one is ice pink color. You see the difference? This is my eye, natural eye, and this is the contact. I just want to show you guys the difference between my eye and the contact. Can see it. This is ooh, way gorgeous from it. Okay, let me put the other one on. So this is the 2 on. So just look at these 2. Look at these 2. What do you think about them? Isn't this gorgeous? Ooh, I love this. I love this. It looks stunning. This one looks great as well with the pink round it. Ooh, matches my lips. Right, let me try another one. Okay, let me try another one. Let me try another one. You see this one? This one is big eyes brown. See my natural eye. It's true, it's really big. Wow, see this? You see my natural eye, and this is it. Wow, I love this one. I think I can wear this all the time. It looks really like my natural eye, just that it's a little bit bigger. Wow, I colored my eyes red. I pinched my eye just now. And I was trying to remove the lens. Be careful when you're doing it. Okay, so this is the two on. You can see it's gorgeous. This is lovely. I love this. So gorgeous, so gorgeous, so gorgeous. You can see the two big eyes brown. I like it. Is brown color. If you like natural looking contacts, you can buy this one. It looks so natural, especially if you have this dark eyeball like mine, or if you have brown eyeball, you can use this. It's a little bit bigger, wider, you can see. Okay, let's try. It's remaining how many? Okay, it's remaining one for me to try. Okay, I've tried 4. Wow. All right, let me try the last one. So guys, this is the last one. This one is the Bassy leaf green. You can see it. It looks so natural. I love this one as well. Ooh, look at it. Oh, this is so gorgeous. I love this one. It looks really natural. If you're the type that don't like all these dramatic contacts, the brown one, that big brown whatever, and this one, ooh, I love them. I love them. This one is so beautiful, so beautiful. This is it from a far range, and this is it at a close range. So gorgeous, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like them, all the styles that I tried. As for me, I love all of them. I love them. If you're for a dramatic contact lenses or natural contact lenses, one thing I like about these ones, they are not too dramatic. They look really natural. That's one thing I like. They are not inching. There are some contact lenses you will wear, it inch you, and there are some you will wear, you will find it difficult. It doesn't really stick to your eyeball immediately, but this one, immediately you put it on your eye, it magnets your eyeball. It's not difficult to wear it at all, and it's not inching. I like that about it. And the vision of these ones are very clear. The vision is clear. There are some contact lenses, when you wear them, you cannot see at all. It will just change your vision immediately. But this one, your vision is like normal. It's as if I'm not wearing anything at all. Meanwhile, I'm wearing contacts. So that is it, gorgeous. I'm going to leave the link to each of the styles I wore today on the description box. So if you're interested, you can check that out. If you don't like any of these, on their website they have so many styles. You can choose the one you want. One thing I like, you can wear these ones for summer, you can wear them for spring, you can wear them any season, okay? And they last for like 1 year, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. So you can wear them again, then just add solution inside. When you remove it, add your solution and you keep it in, I think, in a room temperature or something like that. In a room temperature, that's what I've been doing. I keep my contact in a room temperature. So that is it, guys. I will see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this contact lens review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button? Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.